Hello, welcome to this update for parts of Europe, especially about the storms in Greece and other areas. We have some snow too, many parts of Romania, Slovakia, parts of the Alps, and southeastern Europe. So let's see what will happen. So we have this system there, as you can see here as well, shows a storm or two in Greece already, and those clouds there. So let's see. The European model has this going there, especially tomorrow, Saturday, has some more showers in Greece and some storms, and does have some more snow in Bulgaria, Macedonia and Albania, and Bosnia, still in Croatia, some snow, Montenegro, even central Italy. But the thing is, those storms, they'll continue into Saturday afternoon, shows some heavy rain in many parts of Greece, like Saturday afternoon to Saturday night, and even some rain western Turkey. This goes Saturday night into Sunday. The European model has this very heavy band of rain throughout central northern Greece, and especially some storms in the islands there. Then this is Sunday. Sunday morning still shows some heavy rain, northern Greece, central Greece, also into the islands of western Turkey and some areas there. And this is Sunday morning. Sunday afternoon still shows some more storms in Turkey, and central northern Greece still some snow showers throughout Greece. So be aware, Monday still shows some rain lingering around Greece, but then by Tuesday it all goes towards Turkey and Cyprus. So later Tuesday into Wednesday, expect some storms near Cyprus and some snow in southern Turkey on Tuesday and Wednesday. And then later this might go towards central eastern Turkey, some snow on Thursday. And then the European has another rain system near Greece, and even like it has a low pressure in the southern Mediterranean, with more showers and storms near northern Libya on like December 5th. This goes there, so some more things in Turkey, and yeah, and after that, the Europeans are showing some more like some systems in the UK around Sunday. It shows a small front in Ireland with some rain, and this goes there Saturday and Sunday. So this might arrive Saturday in Ireland. Shows also some storms in northern Spain and Portugal. Be aware, Sunday this goes there, and it has into Monday some rain into central France and Spain there. Then this goes has like a snow or two in the Pyrenees and some storms near Spain and the Balearic Islands. Then on Tuesday the 3rd has some snow in the Alps and even some rain to Czechia and some snow. And December 3rd has another bigger system in Ireland and the UK with more rain and snow there. This goes and it has the system like curving down to France and parts of Italy and the Pyrenees with some snow on Wednesday the 4th. This goes Wednesday and it does show more storms near the Mediterranean on the 4th. This goes into Thursday the 5th. The European does have some storms in northern Algeria and Tunisia on Thursday. Still some snow in the northern Pyrenees. This goes there. Later on Thursday night, it's already quiet there, but still some storms in the Mediterranean there. On Thursday especially, but most of Thursdays are already quiet. But Friday the 6th shows another front into France, more snow like in Poland, Czechia, northern Italy and the Alps, some rain in parts of southern France and Spain. Then it does have later on Friday, comes down. It does have Saturday the 7th, some snow, the Pyrenees there. This goes, and the European has this bigger system throughout Europe on Sunday the 8th, shows more there, like more rainstorms throughout Italy, some snow in the Balkans, the Alps and the Pyrenees on a week from now. But this is still far away. The models will still change a lot. And after that, it shows more stuff into early December, but I'm not going to show that right now because that's too far. But let's see the GFS for the storms in Greece. So does show there some the storm, especially tomorrow, Saturday. The GFS shows western Greece some heavier storms, shows a lot of snow in the southern Balkans, so be careful. In Croatia, Bosnia, western Bulgaria, parts of Kosovo, southern Serbia, and even northern Greece has some snow, and the heavier storms into northern Greece into Sunday. So this goes there on Monday morning. Still some storms near Greece and Turkey, and then later Monday into Tuesday, this goes into Turkey and Cyprus. But yeah, be aware in those areas. This might cause a flooding concern in Greece. Now, the GFS has also the front in Ireland and the UK tomorrow into Sunday. Northern Spain and Portugal, some rain. Sunday does have some lingering snow showers in the northern UK and Faroe Islands on Monday and throughout Norway. And does have like Monday, Tuesday, some snow in the Pyrenees on Tuesday and the Alps and west eastern France. And does have on Wednesday, actually late Tuesday into Wednesday, another front to the UK with that snow there on Tuesday afternoon. Now into Wednesday, that shows a little bit of snow in the Pyrenees, a little bit heavier in the Alps, and even to like Luxembourg and the Netherlands shows some rain and snow. This goes Thursday. The GFS has that low pressure system in the Mediterranean. Yet again, some more storms near Greece and Italy. Another front on the UK on December 5th. Then this crosses there, and December 6th does have some heavier snow in the Alps, all the way into Poland, and some rain in the Pyrenees. It does eventually get some freezing rain on like Friday the 6th, but goes away. And the GFS barely has anything for Saturday, just late Sunday into Monday. The GFS has some snow in the Pyrenees, so it's a little bit later with the system than the European. But after December 9th, does have uh, this bunch of system like in northeastern Europe, so there's still the 6th. The front from the UK goes into Norway and Sweden, and Denmark with more rain and snow, especially Norway and Sweden. The snow November at the December 6th crosses Poland, Latvia, Lithuania, and Estonia on the 7th for more snow. This goes into Finland and Russia there. And yet again, December 9th, the GFS more system Central Europe with more snow scattered and rain. So we'll monitor that throughout next week. But now let's just focus on these storms in Greece and be careful there. So let's see, this is the icon. A different model shows the storms there throughout Saturday, shows heavier northern Greece. Most of Greece will have storms through Saturday afternoon to Sunday, shows the heavier storms, especially northern Greece in those pink red areas. So be careful. This goes into Turkey late Sunday to Monday. Some storms there too, southern Bulgaria, and still some storms in Greece by Monday morning. This goes there, approaches Cyprus by Monday afternoon, and southern Turkey, some rain, eventually some snow Tuesday and Wednesday, and maybe a little bit of rain near Syria and Lebanon, coastal Israel on December 4th, and some snow into central eastern Turkey on the 4th and 5th. And then the icon has those systems there, like crosses Spain, maybe leaves some storms on Tuesday, some showers, and then it does have this moisture building again the Mediterranean, and more storms like near Greece. December 5th, the icon has more storms in Greece, and more near northern Libya and those areas, so we'll monitor that too. But in the shorter term, it has that front in Ireland and the UK, Saturday into Sunday, northern Spain, into France, Netherlands, in Germany, a shower to Monday, Sunday night to Monday morning. This goes there, some showers in northern Spain, and parts of France on Monday, and even the rest of Eastern Europe into like Poland, the Baltics, some snow in the Alps Tuesday. And then this goes there, shows Tuesday, Wednesday, still has some snow near Eastern Europe, and a finger through the Alps, some showers in Italy, those areas Wednesday. This goes Thursday, it brings a small system northern Spain and Portugal on Wednesday, the 4th. Then this goes on Thursday, shows the storms there in the Mediterranean, but also shows some rain near Spain and France, and some snow in the Alps there still. Even showing snow on Belarus, Poland, and Ukraine on December 5th. Then this goes there, and showing like December 6th, Friday, shows some rain, and in the Pyrenees, maybe a snow or two, but mainly rain. And yeah, shows more snow in Austria later and more stuff, so be aware in those areas. And now, just a recap for Northern Europe, shows already some snow in Northern Norway, Central Norway, then the system keeps going, Saturday more snow for Finland, Central Sweden to Northern Sweden, and still showing more systems on like Sunday, this goes more snow Northern Norway to Northern Finland and Sweden on Sunday, and still some rain and snow like into Monday morning in Southern Norway and Finland, and North Sweden, shows a shower too in Denmark on Monday, and still showing snow on like Finland, Sweden Tuesday, and some other areas. So be aware. But now for the important thing, the rain accumulation for the storms in Greece. So until next Wednesday, shows more than 179 millimeters northern Greece. This most of this is until Sunday. If I just put this until Monday, shows 171 millimeters just in the next 2 days and 17 hours. So really be careful there. 184 millimeters with 197 other parts of Greece. So all these areas here, like 192, if a lot of rain falls in a short amount of time, there could be flash flooding in those areas, some urban flooding. So be careful. Much of northern Greece, northeastern Greece, and those areas here. So stay safe there. Macedonia shows more, and some other areas. Shows like in Turkey, some spots close to 94 millimeters, more southern Turkey. So be aware when this front crosses Turkey too, and most of Greece. But be careful with the storms across like most of Greece, because there'll be storms like uh, in most areas, like shows in Crete too. Some areas close to 99 millimeters, like 106. So be careful there. Now the GFS has a little bit less than the European, that does have some spots like 137, 142 millimeters that could already cause flooding. The icon has even more than the European. Some valleys and mountains there are close to 255 millimeters. This would cause a lot of flooding there, so be careful. Like 206, some of theirs like 113 millimeters. Uh, Further east, 123, 111, Southern Macedonia there, and like some other areas, northern Greece, those areas. So stay safe there. And here, let's see, this model doesn't cover here, but be careful. There's some other models like the ARPEG shows that the snow in the Balkans. This goes in the ARPEG shows those heavy storms throughout most of Greece, and expect some heavy snow in the mountains of northern Greece there. Then crosses into Turkey, the front on Sunday, late Sunday, the low pressure spinning around the Mediterranean there. Still late Monday into like Turkey, and still some storms in Greece. So be careful those areas. Now the rain accumulation here. So today's Friday, and until Sunday, until like early Monday, the ARPEG has more than 208 millimeters. Some spots, because you see some kind of yellowish colors there, so that will be almost 300 millimeters. So the ARPEG is like 200 to 300 in parts of eastern northern Greece. Also like 125, 144, you can see there 196, even 138 to southern Macedonia. So stay safe with flooding and be careful in those areas. And now let's see if there's any other model. There's this one, but it takes a lot of time to load. I think it got it. So this the Canadian model, shows all those blacks there, more than 200 millimeters. You can see some trees like 300 millimeters. So and some models are very crazy about this. So be careful with flooding there. Stay safe, away from flooding, and warn others there. So be careful. Now for the snow too, those mountains. So Until Monday, the European model shows some spots in northern Greece, some 56 centimeters, 60 centimeters, and some mountains further east there, so like 72 to 74 centimeters of snow. So be careful the snow there. This goes southern Greece, central southern Greece in the mountains, a little bit of snow. Bulgaria there shows like some 49 centimeters, Central Bulgaria, Kosovo, but Macedonia showing like more snow to some 78 centimeters, 79, 70 into eastern Albania, many eastern Albania there, so be careful. Into Montenegro, 41 centimeters, crossing Bosnia and like into central Croatia and Romania, those mountains, so be careful. Ukraine, but be aware of that heavier snow. The GFS is a little bit less, but does have snow in most of those areas, and the icon has snow there too, all the way from Croatia to central Greece. Some spots close to like 50 to 70 centimeters, 62 Bulgaria, western Bulgaria, Romania there, so be careful. Now until December 8th, the European has more snow in the Pyrenees, some 51 centimeters in some areas, and also has more like some other mountains of Spain. Until the 8th has heavier in the Alps, some in eastern France and some 72 centimeters, 60 more felt Austria, southern France and those areas, but the GFS until the 8th has way less in the Pyrenees, just around some 7 centimeters, and the icon, nothing. But this is until the 6th, like 0.2 centimeters in the Pyrenees, and the Alps, the icon has like 15 to 31 centimeters and more there. And in the shorter term until the 4th, the European does have in central Italy some mountains there and some other areas. So be careful. Shows in Czechia and Slovakia, southern Poland, a little bit of snow, and further north into Lithuania, Russia, shows some snow there, Belarus, but Norway and Sweden might get some heavier snow into like central Norway, shows almost 100 centimeters there, some spots like 6 centimeters throughout Sweden, heavier in the mountains of northwestern Sweden, but southern Sweden a little bit less heavier, but does show some snow to southern Finland, northern Finland, some spots a little bit less, but shows more snow throughout central to northern Norway. In Iceland, the European has some heavier accumulation, like 102 centimeters. In Grindavik, just 4 centimeters. In Reykjavik, some 9 centimeters. But that's some snow too. Shows more like southeastern Iceland there, some more snow. So be careful. Southern Greenland shows more too, like some spots of some 87 centimeters. Some towns on western Greenland show some 19, 20 centimeters next 5 days. Some spots further north, some 4, 7 centimeters. So be aware. And like the GFS for Norway in those areas does have northern central Norway a little bit heavier, and some mountains in southern Norway too. And in Iceland, the GFS is more across southeastern Iceland too, and also the northern UK, the GFS has more like 13 centimeters, Northern Ireland there. So yeah, the European does have some snow in the UK, mainly from the system next week that I showed before, and more across the northern UK some areas, but very light. The icon has some in the UK too, some 4-5 centimeters, more across Norway and Iceland, in those areas. So be aware there. Now the winds that is an important part of this shows that doesn't show that crazy of wind action in Greece, but we might have some gusty winds in the Mediterranean near Malta, close to like some 59 km per hour gusts. Some small islands of like Italy and Tunisia, some 58 km per hour gusts. And on Saturday morning, the Europeans had like 53 km per hour gusts in Malta. Some other areas like 62. This goes It does have at some point Saturday afternoon all the way to 64 km per hour in Malta and stronger in the ocean there. So be aware the season in Italy too shows some higher gusts. Sunday still a little bit gusty in Malta, then it calms down. And in Greece shows worse Saturday afternoon into late Sunday. Especially shows very late Saturday, so 91 km per gust. Northern Greece shows there more like central southern Greece, and the Balkans show that area of higher gusts throughout the mountains, close to some 85 km per gust, and Albania, Croatia. So be aware, Sunday the European still has very high gusts. In Greece, close to 91 km per gust, 93. This is just the wind by itself. So if you are inside a strong thunderstorm, that there might be even stronger winds inside that storm. So be aware. It shows more into western Turkey, southern Bulgaria, some parts of Serbia. Expect some higher gusts, and the seas in Italy. So be aware. Sunday, Monday still a little bit gusty in Greece. Next Tuesday near Turkey, and then the other system comes around Thursday to the Mediterranean. The European area has northern Algeria and Tunisia, some 62 km per gust, all the way to 78, some parts of northern Algeria and Tunisia, even into Libya, some higher gusts. And then, yeah, so be aware, Thursday, this coast still has high gusts near northern Libya, with that low pressure forming the Mediterranean. The GFS also has the low pressure forming, but still in Tunisia around next Friday. And the icon has very high gusts throughout some parts of Sicily, southern Italy, Malta, some higher gusts, some islands just right between Italy and Tunisia, some close to 85 km per gust, and northern Libya too. Yet again, some stronger gusts in Greece later next week, like exactly a week from now. But that's a little bit far out. But be aware in those areas. Now that there are some higher gusts in the ocean between the UK there, but the shows Saturday tomorrow, maybe in Iceland, those mountains of central Iceland and northern Iceland, some higher gusts, and if there's strong winds plus some snow, might generate some blizzard or low visibility, especially like Sunday in Iceland there, some higher gusts. This goes northern Scotland on like late Sunday, they still Sunday morning, but into Sunday afternoon goes more into Norway, shows the seas and the coast of Norway, especially some higher gusts, and Finland. This goes there, shows maybe a little bit higher gusts near Sweden, Denmark, but mainly the ocean. Tuesday, this goes more strong winds in Iceland. Next Tuesday is all the way to 124 km per gust in Iceland, like 118, 99. The GFS barely has any at that time Tuesday. The icon has some like central Iceland, but the GFS a little bit later Tuesday. But yeah, be careful. This goes there, and maybe some gusty winds Tuesday night in the Faroe Islands and in the UK there, especially Northern Ireland, and some areas Tuesday to Wednesday. And then the European some stronger systems in northern UK and Norway around December 5th, and because of some more fronts there. And Iceland June has like some higher gusts from Norway and near the seas in Denmark and northern UK December 6th, but be aware there. And the temperature is still cold, very cold in Turkey there, some -2, -4, -5 in the Alps, also like some -3, -7, and yeah, and then to like Ukraine and Russia, some 0, Belarus, the mountains of Romania cold as well, and like southeastern Europe. So this was a today Friday, but Saturday morning tomorrow around 5 a.m. So like some -2 parts of Germany, some 2 degrees in Amsterdam, 1 degree, 0 degrees in some areas. Luxembourg, so like -1 to France, Paris around 1 degree, but very chilly. And in the Alps, like -10, -11, -6. Northern Greece show like some -1. The mountains 0 degrees, around 0. Macedonia, so -2. Montenegro -4. The mountains, Bulgaria there. Albania, so be aware. Even some spots of southern Italy, some high elevations, some 0 degrees. Throughout those mountains there into central Italy, some 0 degrees, and central western Italy, northern Italy. So be aware. Shows cold into Russia too, and eastern Ukraine, and in Turkey they're like -12, -13. Some spots central eastern Turkey and the Caucasus. Sweden's like -13 too, -5 in the south, a little bit warmer, but Norway's a -4, -10, -5. Most of northern Finland very cold, and yeah, and Iceland too, very cold in those areas. In Greenland, like even colder, but along the coast there shows around some -20 in some small towns, -13, and then this goes Western Europe still a little bit warmer than Eastern Europe, like in the UK, some areas, but yeah. And then Saturday afternoon warms up a little bit, but Sunday night, Sunday morning, Saturday nights still shows like uh, very cold around Austria, some -7, Switzerland, Czechia, most of Germany, into eastern France, like Lithuania, Latvia, Poland, Turkey, still cold in the Balkans, and Slovakia, Romania. So be aware, Monday morning still cold in Eastern Europe, especially in the mountains. This goes there. Tuesday starts getting colder in northern Spain and the Pyrenees, some -1 again. In the UK, somewhere like -4, -2. Norway already all the way down to -17. More in northern Norway, northern Sweden and Finland. Then this goes there. Tuesday, next Wednesday, still cold in the Alps, the Pyrenees, and parts of Central Europe. And by next Thursday, the 5th, still southeastern Europe cold. This goes there more into Eastern Europe. So yeah, stay safe, those areas. But just to see the general pattern here, let's see if the models have anything crazy. So like the temperature anomaly probability does show the GFS those below average temperatures parts of Eastern Europe and some above average in Western Europe. So this goes to GFS around December 2nd, has some uh, below average around the UK and Norway into Eastern Europe, and slightly into further south into Spain and France, slightly below average. Then you get some above average again, and maybe a bigger dip. So this will be December 9th. The GFS is a big dip of Arctic air into Western Europe, and even more, this is December 14th. It's like very, very cold temperatures into Western Europe. But that's the GFS that is known to exaggerate, and it's kind of far out. Let's see, the Europeans, those above average temperatures, Eastern Europe now, Western Europe actually, some below average in parts of southern Italy into Eastern Europe. This goes. It does have the dip in Norway and the UK, December 3rd, has some below average temperatures northern and Eastern Europe. Then it does have like the 7th near Western Europe, some slightly below average. And then it does have a dip on December 14th, but not as strong as the GFS. But yeah, be careful in those areas and stay safe with the heavy rain in Greece.